Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Lemon8. If you're into lifestyle content like fashion, beauty, food, wellness, or even home decor, this might be just your new favorite app. But what exactly is Lemon8? How does it stand out in the crowded world of social media platforms? And most importantly, is it worth your time? Stick around as I break it all down for you. First things first, Lemon8 is a lifestyle-focused social media platform brought to you by ByteDance, the same team behind the mega successful TikTok. It launched in 2020 in Japan and has since expanded to other regions, including the United States, Canada, and Australia. Think of Lemon8 as the love child of Instagram and Pinterest, but with a refreshing twist. The app is all about sharing visually stunning, curated content that inspires. Whether you're looking for fashion tips, makeup tutorials, or creative home setups, Lemon8 has a way of drawing you in with its highly aesthetic and neatly organized interface. It's like stepping into a lifestyle magazine, except you're part of the story. And here's the cool part, it's built for discovery. Lemon8's AI algorithm serves you personalized feeds based on your preferences, making it super easy to find content that actually interests you. Plus, it's ad-free. Isn't that amazing? Yes, no annoying interruptions, just pure, immersive browsing. Now let us talk about the main features of Lemon8. Let's dive deeper into what Lemon8 offers. It's not just about pretty pictures and inspiring videos. This platform has some unique features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's break them down. First up, Lemon8 editing tools. These are a game changer for creators. You can enhance your photos and videos with filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, and even add text overlays. What's more, it's all integrated within the app, meaning you don't need to juggle between Lemon8 and third-party apps. Everything you need to make your content pop is right at your fingertips. Personalized feeds. Next, let's talk about the For You feed. Lemon8's advanced AI learns what you love and delivers content tailored to your interests. Are you into fashion? You'll see outfit inspiration. Do you love food? Get ready for recipes that'll make your mouth water. This personalized touch ensures every scroll feels like it's been curated just for you. Collections. Now, how about collections? This feature lets you save and organize your favorite posts. Imagine planning a dream vacation. You can create a folder for travel destinations and fill it with ideas. Or if you're redecorating your home, save all those stunning room designs for reference. It's like having a vision board in your pocket. Community interaction. Lemon8 is more than just a platform, it's a community. Users can like, comment on, and share posts, making it easy to connect with others who share your passions. Whether you're asking a creator about their skincare routine or sharing your own hacks, the platform fosters meaningful interactions. No ads. Here's a big one. No ads. In a world where most platforms are packed with advertisements, Lemon8 offers a refreshing escape. You can immerse yourself in content without annoying pop-ups or sponsored posts cluttering your feed. Trending topics. Lemon8 also keeps things exciting with trending topics and hashtags. From seasonal fashion trends to viral recipes, you'll always find something new to explore. It's a great way to stay inspired and discover fresh content. Easy to use interface. Last but not least, the interface. Lemon8 is incredibly user-friendly. The design is clean, intuitive, and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're uploading a post or browsing through categories, the app makes everything feel effortless. What is the pricing like? Let us talk about the pricing. Well, here's the good news. Lemon8 is completely free to download and use. No hidden fees or subscriptions. It's currently available on some platforms in select countries, with expansion plans in the works. So if you're lucky enough to have access, you can opt right in. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Lemon8. First, we talk about the pros. It is a visually stunning ad-free experience. There are powerful editing tools for content creators. There's highly personalized feeds that are tailored to your interests. And there's strong community vibes with authentic interactions. How about the cons? There is limited availability. Right now, it's not accessible everywhere. No monetization options for creators yet. And it's still a smaller community compared to giants like Instagram and TikTok. But overall, the pros heavily outweigh the cons for most modern travelers. So what's the verdict? Is Lemon8 worth it? Lemon8 is an exciting platform for anyone looking to break away from the mainstream social media noise. It feels fresh, authentic, and focused on what truly matters: creativity and connection. But as with any app, it has its challenges. The limited availability might be a deal breaker for some, and creators hoping to monetize their content might need to wait. That said, if you're someone who loves discovering or sharing inspiring lifestyle content, I'd say give Lemon8 a shot. It's free, it's easy to use, and definitely has the potential to grow into something even bigger. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Instagram, Pinterest, and VSCO. Alright, that's all for today's review of Lemon8. I do hope you are better informed about the platform now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.